Yo, guys, welcome back to this space. Okay, today we are tying this headwrap, guys, and it's a simple one. You know, your girl will always bring you something simple to do. Okay, as a beginner, it is advisable to use a soft material, semi soft or semi hard. I don't know. So, and if you have hard material too, you can actually try this particular one out. But as for me, I'm using this my normal soft material. Yeah, I might still use the hard material to try it out and see what the outcome will look like. Okay, guys, so I grabbed the material in division of 40 60, and I at the middle of it I use my elastic band to secure both, like secure 40 apart and 60 apart. All right, so when I'm done, I place it on my head and I use my hand to stretch the middle part so that it covers my middle head. If you don't want it covered, you can leave it the way it's up here if you like it. So I go to the back and I knot it just once. So I pick the longer part, which happened to be the 60 part. I pick it up and I make the pleat all through. Now I always make my pleat all through before I place it on my head if I'm making a pleat gele. So I make it all through before placing on my head to make it more easier for me downward. So when I'm done with that, I'll be dipping that into my elastic band. Sorry if you can hear voice in the background, those are holiday children. Okay, so they are very much around. So this place, you see, I've dipped it inside the elastic band, and I'm working with the 40 parts. If you have a longer material, this will actually look big and look nice, like if you have something bigger than what I'm using. Yes, try it. You're gonna love the outcome. Just take your time and be calm. Follow the steps, you will achieve it. So here I've pleated the shorter part all through as well, and this excess I have in the 60 part, you see, I press it down at the middle, which means I'll be using half of it to knot the excess I have from the 40. Do you get the point? Ha ha. So just stay focused and watch what I'm doing. So I just pick the half of that excess in the 60 part and the excess in the 40 part, which I use them to make a knot. Then the excess I have, half I have left in the 60 part, I just take it to that place and I make this with it and use my office pin to just pin it down to get it secured. And that's the end, guys. Do not forget to like, share, and if you haven't followed my page, kindly hit the follow button and follow for more headwrap tutorials. I drop simple headwrap tutorials. If that is what you love, you can actually join us in this page. Okay, you're highly welcome, guys. Where is the outcome? Look at your girl and your gal. See you later, guys. See you later. Peace out.